Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that was fixed with Patch Tuesday yesterday on Windows is a feature called Mark of the Web. There was a bypass capability there. So, what's Mark of the Web? Mark of the Web is that when you go to a website and that website has something to download, the Mark of the Web is that each file was and is in a list. So when you download something that is software, for example, there's a huge list of all the commonly downloaded software from the internet. And so the files, when they arrive, there's already a information filed with it that says, oh yeah, this is fine. This is something we know about, and it's not dangerous. It uses what we see in Windows as the smart screen. And you might have come across the smart screen as sometimes blocking a file that is not dangerous, but the reason it does that is simply because it doesn't know what it is. So the Mark of the Web isn't there. It doesn't really know. I have several software that I download for amateur radio use that actually are like that. When I download them, they're tagged as dangerous, but just because there's no identification, it just doesn't know. So to make sure that you stay safe, it tells you, well, maybe it's a problem. Now, that fix yesterday, which is a 0-day exploited in the wild, has been, according to Trend Micro, exploited in the wild since the month of March. So it took quite a long time for Microsoft to fix this. And it was exploited way back in March also. Trend Micro said samples that they've actually analyzed show that in the month of March there was already in the wild attacks with downloaded files that could bypass it and pretend to be correct downloads. So you weren't aware that what you had is actually a bad download because it had all that it takes to bypass that information. So that was fixed yesterday, which means that downloads should be checked better and be safer now. But it's interesting to see that this was exploited several months ago and that it was only fixed yesterday. We talk about all of these things that Microsoft has not fixed in a long time. We talked about one this week that it's been 6 months and been disclosed, has still not fixed by Microsoft, and it wasn't fixed yesterday either. So, it's I think Microsoft should make sure that they work better to stay safe with, Windows and all of the different security aspect of the operating system. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.